Good afternoon. Welcome back to our science online class. So this is teacher LM and I'm back. Okay, so this morning we studied about the sense of taste, right? So let's review for a bit. Okay, so circle the items you can taste. Okay, let's read the sentence first. My tongue can taste. So there are three features that you can taste in this screen. Okay, what is the first one? The first one is an apple, and second, it's a pizza, and the third one, the lemon. So these are the food that you can taste. Now let's continue our lesson class. So this afternoon, we are going to study about the sense of sight. Yes, all right. So let's learn more about sense of sight. So the sense of sight is the ability of the eyes to see objects around you. It is also the ability to perceive color, brightness, and depth. Eyeball is the organ that allows vision. Lens at the front of the lens at the front of the eyeball helps to focus images into the retina at the back of the eye. Cones and rods, two types of light sensitive cells. All right, class. So if you look at here, this is the parts of your eyes. Okay, so this is the retina. This is the optic nerve. It's inside your eyes. And the iris, that is the white part of our eyes. And the cornea, okay, the cornea is that the circle, okay, the circle, or it has a color, okay, it could be black or it could be blue or it could be brown. That is your cornea. And your pupil is this one, okay, that is the white part, and your iris is the outside part of your pupil, okay? And the lens. So these are the parts of your eyes. Again, what are the parts of the eyes? We have iris, cornea, pupil, lens, retina, and optic nerve. All right, now let's get to know. So here, circle the things that you can see but cannot touch, okay? So again, circle the things that you see but cannot touch. Okay, so it says a while ago that our eyes help us to see brightness and dark. So let's look at here, the picture. Let's see. So the first row, we have planet, balloons, and a goat. So which of the picture you can see but you cannot touch? Okay, we have the planet. Okay, next we have the tree, and we have the snowflakes and a rhino. So we will see snowflakes, but we cannot touch it. It's only in the Frozen movie. Okay, and next one, we have moon and stars, a robot, and a lightning. So which of the pictures we can see but we cannot touch? We have the moon and the stars and the lightning. Okay, class? So these are the things that we can see but we cannot touch. All right. This one also, these are the things that help us to see, okay? So flashlight help us to see. Magnifying glass, like there is a piece of insect and you wanted to see its part, so you can use this magnifying glass, okay? It will become big if you use this one. And the sun, yes, the sun gives us brightness, right? So it helps us to see. A telescope, yes, if you want to see something very, very far, so you need to use this microscope. Okay, next one is a goggle, okay? If you want to go swimming in the ocean or pool, you can use a goggle to see clearly what is inside the water. And it's the same magnifying glass. This one is the same. It's a flashlight and eyeglasses. All right, kids? So that would be all for this afternoon. I hope you learned something, especially the parts of the eyes. Okay, so I hope you have a great day. Goodbye, class. See you tomorrow.